If you've ever started editing a video on your computer and wanted to continue on your phone, this tutorial is going to make that process super easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer CapCut projects from PC to phone using CapCut's built-in Project Sync feature. This is a really useful method because it lets you keep working on the same projects across devices without manually exporting files or starting over. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and make sure you're logged into the same CapCut account that you want to use on your phone. This is the most important part because Project Sync only works properly when both devices are signed into the same account. Once you're inside CapCut on your computer, go to the home screen and scroll down a little bit. You should see an option called Project Sync. This feature is designed to keep your projects connected across devices. Click on Project Sync, then turn it on. If it asks for confirmation, go ahead and allow it so your projects can begin syncing to your account. After that, give it a moment to update and save everything to the cloud. Now grab your phone and open CapCut there as well. Again, make sure you log in using the exact same account that you used on your PC. If you use a different account, your projects will not appear, so double check this step before moving forward. Once you're signed in on your phone, head to the projects area. You should now be able to see all of your synced projects listed there. From this point, you can open any project and continue editing right where you left off. This makes it so much easier to switch between desktop and mobile depending on where you are or how you like to edit. If your project doesn't show up right away, just give it a little time to sync properly, then refresh the app and check again. Also make sure your internet connection is stable on both devices because syncing relies on CapCut being able to upload and download your project data correctly. And that's it. You've now transferred your CapCut projects from PC to phone using Project Sync. No complicated file transfer, no extra software, and no manual exporting. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.